Hello, good evening, everyone. This is the voice of this is your smartphone productivity coach, and right about now, we're going to be creating a video on how to use the Filmigo app. Okay, so this is the first thing that happens. It takes you to your video, okay, or photos, or you have everything. So depending on what you want to create, your content should be ready for a video. So let's do something on this. So you select the content that you want to use for your video, and then you click on next. So automatically you have your start. This is the first thing that is coming up because of course this is it. Okay, this is the slide responsible for it. So if you don't like this particular slide, why not? You can move. You have a lot of themes to use for your slides. Okay, and if you like one, and you can always download. Can you see these ones with arrow downwards means you can download. Okay, so just keep choosing until you're fine. If you don't want this, that first thing that is showing up, that's the prologue and the epilogue, is like the outro and the intro in the quick app. Okay, if you don't want it, or you want to write something about the product, this is where to write it. Okay, then this will be the ending. Okay, so that will be the first thing you see, and then the second. If you don't like this slide, when the slide opens, you can always change it. Okay, you have so many features on how each slide unveils. Can you see this? This is another. So basically, this is what this does. Okay, then the next thing you want to edit is your music. Okay, so you have so many music collections here. Okay, you have so many music collections. It depends on what you want to do. You are creating the content for children. Please look for energetic and songs that they can dance and all of that. You are doing this an advert. Please look for things that actually rhymes with your. So when you're done with music selection, then you click on your edits. Okay. Yeah, this is the duration, the timing. How long do you want your video to last? Okay, how long do you want your video to last? You can increase the timing or reduce it here. Okay, then for music, you can add as many music as you want here. Text, you want to add text to each of the slides. Maybe you want to explain better with words. You can just, when you click on it, you add your text, and that's all. Aspect ratio, this has to do with you want to use Instagram, you want to use Facebook, it just gives you options. Okay, can you see it gives you options? So it just changes the layout, and you're good to go. Then the next is background. You want a particular background that rhymes with your theme, that resonates with your brand color. You can change them here. Okay, and this is scroll text. This is actually a pro version of this. Your text to be scrolling up and down. You can go for this if you want to. And of course, effects. There are effects, plenty effects, jam, small effects. You go for them. Speed is likened to duration. Okay, so they are almost the same thing. Then stickers, you want to add stickers to your video. There are a whole lot of stickers there. Okay, you can just click to add stickers. Then your transition, maybe you're not cool with the way this thing is appearing and disappearing. I mean the slide. In your transition, you have so many options. Okay, can you see? You have so many options how you want each slide to open up. You can choose the star. Can you see it? It just opens up as star. You can choose fold, and it folds up. Okay, so you have plenty. I love this snowstorm. Can you see? Wow, I like this snowstorm very, very well. Okay, so this is league. So this is how your video just each slide. So you select the slide here. You select each one. You just select and you add this to it. Very simple. Okay, now the next that we have is a filter. Okay, you want to edit how the picture looks like. Okay, you can split you can split it into different segments with the split. Music fade, the ending of your music. Okay, you just give it a good timing. Okay, so that your music will not be stopping when you're not done. You just elongate and done. Then sound effects, of course. How do you want your sound to? But this is actually optional anyway. And then lastly, your zoom. Okay, you might want a particular this to show very well. So you just need to do is hold down your screen and so you zoom, you can out zoom and zoom in. Okay, you just pinch your screen to do that. Okay, so this particular one, and maybe you want a particular place to show very well, you zoom your screen or leave it that way. So that's for zoom. Okay, so when you're done with all of these things, you want to add voiceover. This is for voiceover. You want your voice to show. You don't want music, you want your voice. Why not? You can record. You want to add GIF, reverse. There's so many features that this Filmigo has. And of course, when you are done with all of this part, you see this part on the screen that is showing the Filmigo watermark. You don't want this to be there because you don't want people to know the source of your video. Okay, and being that this is a free version, this is not a pro version. In a pro version, it will not be there. Unlike Quick that does not have any this one has. Okay, so I would just advise in editing your video, you go to InShot. You go to InShot and block this part. So I'm going to show you a video on how to do that. Okay, so this is how to actually create your video using Filmigo. And when you're done, you just click on export. Okay, and you save to gallery. Save to gallery, go to your Panda if this video is very large, and reduce the file size. Okay, or you first go to InShot and remove that watermark. Okay, and you're good to go. You have your video. So that is how to create videos using Filmigo app. I'm sure you've learned something. Please duplicate and share with us in class. Thank you.